In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add text on your TikTok videos. Okay, so you want to go ahead and launch the TikTok app. Then you want to tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen to create a new video or upload a new video. Now you can go ahead and upload a video, or you can go ahead and record a video. So I'm just going to go ahead and record a short video real quick. And I have recorded my video. Now you don't add the text from this screen now. You have to tap on the tick mark next to the record button there on the bottom right. And there at the bottom of the screen, you'll see different options. And one of them is text. If you tap on text, you can go ahead and write out your text. Now you have various options as to what you can do. You can customize it however you want. You can add a border by tapping on that A icon, and if you tap it again, it's going to create a box around the text in a different color, and you can change the color of this text box to whatever you want. I'm just going to select this one, and if you want to go ahead and customize it even further, you can go ahead and do so, but that is how you do it. And then all you would have to do is tap on done, and you can reposition it, make it bigger if you want, and your text would be on your video. Then you tap on next at the bottom right. And then you can go ahead and describe your video, add your hashtags, select your cover, and then post it by tapping on the post button in the bottom right. So that is how you add text to your TikTok videos. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.